I had a feeling that I hadn't done that well at my A-levels. It is quite an emotional day because some people are so happy, and then obviously it was a bit upsetting. So I made the call to Sussex.
Did you call them first?
Yeah. And straight away sorted it out. And then that day I came to Sussex, like that same day.
Oh, yeah.
Looked around the campus because I hadn't been before. Absolutely loved it, and I just felt so welcome. I feel like when you go to a campus and you just get that good vibe and you feel like you fit in, and that's what I felt at Sussex.
2 weeks before results day, I just decided I need to start doing my research. How does clearing work? What unis are offering clearing spaces? So I was looking through the individual university websites, UCAS as well. I was looking at basically who offers philosophy, and I knew Sussex was a good university. Some of my friends had been there the year before and they had a really good experience.
Yeah.
And I looked at their philosophy course and it was really good. Then on results day, I saw that I hadn't gotten to my first choice, cried for about 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And then I was like, okay, cool, we're over it now. I couldn't get through for the first probably like 10 minutes because obviously a lot of people
so
were calling.
busy.
But I didn't panic. I just waited a bit, left it for about I think 15 minutes, and then I called back, got through, and the lady again, she was really lovely, and she just explained to me I couldn't get onto the course I wanted to get onto with the grades that I had, but I could get onto the foundation course. I was just like, yeah, let's do it.
That was it?
Yeah, that was it. And it was so much easier than I'd literally prepared myself for it to be so hard.
I know.
It was so easy.
What do you think your life would have been like if you didn't go to Sussex? Like if you hadn't had taken that step to go through clearing?
I honestly have
Yeah.
no idea, because I couldn't imagine not going to Sussex and not living in Brighton, because honestly, Brighton has become like my favourite place in the UK.
Yeah,
like,
same.
Hands down. It's got the sea, it's got basically the country like just past Sussex, and then you've also got a bit of city life.
And like great teaching as well. I mean, yeah, what else could you want? I feel like I've grown massively, and also having gone through that process, like you have to kind of like grow up quite quickly when you're going through clearing, because you have to like make decisions and you really have to like know what you want. At the time, obviously it seems like such a big deal and so scary, but everything works out, you know?